I would not recommend this course. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's Ray Alexander again. I'm the owner of .com Kings, where we have over 1,000 free ways to make money online. And if you want to stay tuned or stay locked in and get updates on actual websites that help you make money online, I suggest you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications. So today I got a review on a platform called DBA Digital Boss Academy. For those who don't know what DBA is, the Digital Boss Academy is a community that allows you to have access to their digital products. And not only do they give you access to their digital products, they grant you MRR and PLR rights. So MRR is Master Resell Rights, and the PLR is Private Label Rights. Now, I'm not going to get too deep into the MRR and the PLR, but they basically allow you to sell their products for 100% commissions. And at the same time, they teach you digital marketing. So basically, you learn while you have the opportunity to earn. At least that's what they're claiming, right? So I came across Digital Boss Academy on TikTok, and one of the main things that drew my attention was the fact that they was telling me that you can take their done-for-you digital products, put your name on it, put your brand on it, and sell it for 100% profit. So right away that drew my attention. The second reason is, if it's actually true and you can actually sell these digital products and get all of the profit, then I figured, yo, maybe I could add this to .com Kings website and offer this to the community and give y'all another chance to make money online. So long story short, I clicked the link in the bio and check out the overview. It's starting to match up with the video, and so now I check the price tag. And you wouldn't guess how much the price of the course is. So they want $222, right? 222. And I said, wait, I love my community. I love the .com King community, man, and I'll do anything for y'all. $220. I got it. I got y'all. I'm in there. So I go ahead and plug everything up. I get the welcome message, and I'm in the community. But first, a quick backstory for those who are new to my channel. I just recently started creating more YouTube videos because I lost my Instagram at 93,000 followers, right? 93,000. And I got an entire video on what happened and how it happened and so forth and so on right here on my YouTube homepage. So overall, I've been doing this digital marketing and marketing thing for about a decade now, and it was primarily through content creation and digital marketing strategies. So last month I decided to quit my job again for the third time and really lock in on this entrepreneurship thing full time again. But look, third time is the charm. So now that that's out the way, here we are, the pros and the cons, or the good, the bad, and ugly of Digital Boss Academy. All right, so here we are inside the Digital Boss Academy community. And in order to get access to the community, once you purchase the course, you'll get a confirmation email informing you that the admins have to add you to the group. Now, it does say that the admins can take anywhere from 1 hour to 24 hours to accept you to the group. But in my case, it only took about 15 minutes, if that. So just a quick walkthrough. This is the communities page, and I'll go through those posts in a little bit. So this is the classroom. So this is volume 1. So they had two different prices. It's $111 for volume 1, which are these red courses, and then volume 2 is $222. So that's the one we purchased, and we have access to both volume 1 and volume 2. So this is the classroom. So they have bonuses, Get Fit, Spanish module, MRR Mastery, credit module, business information, budgeting like a boss, and so forth and so on. So that's the classroom. So the calendar, let's check out the calendar. So as you can see, today they had a Toro class where it's teaching you passive income with Toro and Airbnb. So they showed funding. I am printful class on the 9th, and that's tomorrow or today. Sorry. So both of these are today. Tax call, credit call that they have this week. Eddie, Alyssa Lynn, content, interactive group pros. The actual member that I purchased this course from, that's what she was saying, you know, as far as the course being interactive. So they have 9,000 members and 84 online right now. So then a little bit more information about the DBA community. For some of the things that they're talking about inside the group. This action beacon store or stand store. This is who's stuck. So they are helping people. They got 300 comments there. Free webinar every Sunday. Asking for locations. So they have a follow train here and about 500 comments. So the people following each other, growing each other's social media accounts. So that's a plus. That's definitely something that's needed in, you know, the content creation game. And in order to grow your accounts. Still my caption, value freely in this group. So excited about her new site. Let's check her new site out. Okay. All right, so she created that in Canva. So they do have a Canva training inside the course as well. So she has two, one red, one color. Masterclass on Etsy, Klarna, blog suggestions. So somebody had 2 sales in 24 hours equaling $444. Does anybody still need help or need some followers? So that's another follow train, more follow trains. Recommendations. A tab everybody that, you know, had sales. Somebody's winning 5K in 3 days. Somebody made their first sale today. That was 7 hours ago. 100 in 2 weeks. Up to something. I don't know. We ain't gonna get into that. Got to sell 2K in a month, and that was 8 days ago. First sale. So it's definitely people winning, people sharing their wins inside the course as well. So this is very community based. You know what I mean? It's like it's pretty much a community. Now I'll be honest, there is a ton of women in this program, or there's a ton of women in this group. A lot more women than men. So yeah. And check activated TikTok. Captions, what's that say? Captions that convert. So people are helping with captions, testimonials. Keep going. Support. They have a support chat, Spanish chat, millionaire mindset, new logo, French chat, and back to general discussions. So I'm going to just breeze through the courses and see everything that they have in store for you as far as what you have to learn in PLR digital products. On how to start, there's a guide, rules and the rules of DBA. Let's step back for a second. Next, they have set up your store. So they have they walk you through setting up your funnel. Okay, understanding funnels. They have system IO. They have sales templates, system IO training. They have build your sales funnel, how to add a webinar. Okay, how to add your webinars to your emails. All right, so customize your logo. I need tech support. Okay, so it's pretty beginner friendly. If you don't understand these things right here, then start at and setting up your store. We're gonna go through volume 2 in a second. Millionaire mindset. So they have a few videos here, some affirmations, mindset training, and you want morning calls with Mel. And let's go back. Brand digital marketing training. Let's check out digital marketing training. Those guys, they have social media growth. Let's talk content planning, how to repurpose your content strategy. Videos in here, a good content structure. Let me say that it's a good content structure. New to digital marketing or new to content creation. How to use hooks, content strategy. I think we did it already. Classroom. So the classroom, let's check this one out right here. So these are the templates for your PLR votes, and saying is you cannot sell any of these products for anything less than $25. Oh wait, as a reminder, this course, this entire community, you cannot sell access to this entire community for anything less than $111 or $222. And let me explain it. For the entire course, for volume 1, you cannot sell the course for anything less than $111. Now, as far as volume 2, you can't sell it for anything less than $222. Have set for their price integrity. So once you purchase the course, you have to send a receipt to the admin. The admin will confirm your receipt, and then they'll decide which volume you purchased, and then they'll allow access. So here's the Canva crash course, which you can sell. You can sell this right here. You can sell the faceless digital marketing. There's a ton of modules in here. Like I said, it's very beginner friendly. There's not a lot of make use of this if you were pretty much a seasoned marketer or you had experience in this training. So this is video editing. They have automations, content inspiration, and learn Instagram. So like I said, it's a breeze. We're just gonna breeze through it. Just wanted to check through it. Let's check out DBA Volume 2. Course on stock market. So this is welcome to DBA 2. They have LinkedIn training, Spotify, more Spotify training. It's a lot of training in here. Printful, if you want to sell on Printful, they have taxes and finances, advertising, back end of content creation. It's a lot of stuff in here. So they actually do have a men in marketing training. But like I said, in training, BT, Amazon KDP, and how to become a virtual assistant. Looks like inside DBA Digital Boss Academy. All right, so there you have it. Now, one of the major pros in this community is the environment, the vibe. You know what I mean? It's definitely a good vibe. The admins seem like they actually care about their community. So that's definitely one of the pros that I took from this platform. There's a ton of interaction inside the community with actual people. You know what I mean? There's people networking, there's people helping other people solve problems and so forth and so on, as well as it's extremely beginner friendly. Now, on the flip side of it, the ugly part of it is, to me as a seasoned marketer, it's extremely beginner friendly. So one of the pros was a con for me. Now, if you're somebody that is already skilled in marketing, or you are somebody that has, 2 to 3 years roughly in marketing and you already understand the game, I would not recommend this course. But if you was somebody that's brand new in marketing and you want to get your feet wet, you don't know too much about digital products, this course is definitely for you. But all in all, no matter what side you on, as far as the seasoned veteran or the novice or the beginner, this is definitely a product because it's done for you and you can actually sell other products that's inside the course. I would recommend it to both sides of the marketing pendulum. But like I said, if you're a veteran, don't go into the course thinking that you're going to learn a bunch of things about marketing, because it's extremely beginner friendly. And as always, if you do not have a digital product to sell, if you don't have an ebook, if you don't have a course or anything like that on sale, and you consider yourself a digital marketer or a marketer, or an entrepreneur in general, I feel like everybody should have a digital product for sale. That's just my opinion. And whether it's a course, whether it's a software, whether it's an ebook, you are leaving money on the table if you don't have a digital product to sell in 2024. And that's just my opinion. So once it was all said and done, I set up my store and I have DBA for sale, and I'll check in with you guys in a few weeks and give y'all an update on if I made any sales or not. So final thoughts, this course definitely has strengths and weaknesses. Does the strengths outweigh the weaknesses? Kind of depends on what level of marketing experience you have, as well as what purpose you're purchasing the course for. And I do recommend this course for anybody that's learning digital marketing, or anybody that's just starting out selling digital products, who can't really create an ebook, for people who can't really create digital products. It's all done for you. They have different modules to show you how to set up your store and so forth and so on. So it's definitely not a scam. Now the question is, should we put DBA on .com Kings? Drum roll. All right, so I'm undecided. I'm not too keen on it right now. Let me get back into the community and let me get a good feel for what's going on. But you guys can help me if you subscribe to this channel, or if you put DBA in the comments, and I'll set up a link, and I might consider putting it on .com Kings website. All right, so like I said, I set up my store, and I'm gonna check back in with y'all in a few weeks just to let y'all know if everything worked out, if I made any sales, and how much I actually made off of DBA, the Digital Boss Academy. All right, let's get it.